It's a new 2021 Lexus GX. From the power to impress with elegance and luxury in the city to the capability and versatility to hit the trails in the great wide open, it's your partner in spontaneity. And with features like these, every drive's a pleasure. V8 engine, 4-wheel drive, integrated navigation system, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, streaming audio, memory steering wheel settings, heated steering wheel, front and rear parking sensors, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Lexus inspired design, relentless innovation, incredible performance. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
We invite you to be part of the Lexus of Dayton family today. Call or stop in for a test drive. We're conveniently located at 1777 Lyons Road in Dayton, Ohio.